morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Thursday, the 12th of February. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. I find February goes really fast. Even I find that like the first 12 days of the month seem to go faster than the first 12 days of January. I don't know why. It just always feels to me like February just flies by. Maybe it's because we just have more light. The sounds are starting to get like spring a little bit. I did hear some birds yesterday morning. I suspect over the next few mornings, especially next week, once we get to Valentine's Day, you're going to start hearing bird song in the morning. It's not super loud. It's not going to be like it's going to be in April and May, but it's really going to start to ramp up here over the next few weeks. Yesterday, by the way, was solar noon, maximum lateness. I didn't say that very well, but let me try to rephrase it. 11:58 yesterday, the sun reached its maximum height in the sky. It's about 34 degrees above the horizon. Now, in the summer, solar noon occurs at about 12:45 to 12:50. So obviously that's later on the clock, but if we didn't move the clocks an hour, it would be 11:50. So by purely the sun and where we are, yesterday's solar noon was as close to noon as you really ever get. All right, let's get to the weather. Got all that astronomy stuff? Mostly sunny skies developing today if there are clouds where you are. Temperatures in the 30s. Tonight we're to the teens, except 20s in Boston. Tomorrow, sunshine, temperatures in the mid 30s, and then Saturday and Sunday look glorious. Temperatures in the mid 30s. Great ski weather. I've been really touting this. I know it's going to be crowded up there this weekend, but it is still going to be fantastic. And I still think the storm probably misses us on Washington's birthday, President's Day Monday, staying far enough offshore. We'll throw some clouds in here, maybe a rain or snow shower. Got to watch it. And then we get into the, yes, 40s probably by Tuesday. Have a great morning, everybody.